Have you ever wondered how the Amish manage to illuminate their homes without relying on electricity? This fascinating topic reveals a world where traditional methods and sustainable living go hand in hand. The Amish community, known for their simple lifestyle, employs a variety of unique lighting techniques that not only brighten their homes, but also reflect their values of frugality and self-sufficiency. Welcome to Frugal Amish. One of the most common methods used by the Amish is kerosene lamps. These lamps provide a warm, inviting glow and are relatively easy to maintain. Additionally, many Amish families utilize candles made from beeswax or tallow, which not only serve as a light source, but also add a touch of homemade charm to their living spaces. Some even harness the power of natural light by using strategically placed windows and skylights, maximizing sunlight during the day to reduce the need for artificial lighting. Exploring these alternative lighting methods is essential, especially in today's world where energy costs continue to rise. The Amish way of life offers valuable insights into cost-effective living solutions that can inspire us all. By embracing these sustainable practices, we can reduce our reliance on electricity and lower our utility bills, all while being kinder to the environment. So whether you're looking to save money or simply curious about a different way of life, understanding how the Amish light up their homes can provide practical ideas for a more sustainable and frugal lifestyle. Join us as we delve deeper into these illuminating practices. Understanding Amish lifestyle, the Amish way of life and their approach to technology. The Amish way of life is deeply rooted in principles of simplicity and self-sufficiency. This unique culture emphasizes living in harmony with nature and prioritizing community over individualism. For the Amish, simplicity is not just a lifestyle choice. It is a guiding principle that influences everything from their clothing to their farming practices. By minimizing distractions and focusing on what truly matters, they cultivate a sense of peace and purpose in their daily lives. One of the most notable aspects of the Amish lifestyle is their choice to live without electricity. This decision stems from a desire to maintain their traditional values and avoid the distractions and complexities that modern technology often brings. The Amish believe that electricity can lead to a disconnect from family and community, fostering a reliance on outside influences that can disrupt their way of life. By foregoing electricity, they create a more intentional living environment that encourages face-to-face interactions and strengthens familial bonds. Sustainable living is another cornerstone of Amish culture. Their farming practices are often organic and environmentally friendly, relying on crop rotation and natural fertilizers to maintain soil health. The Amish also prioritize local resources, using materials from their surroundings to build homes and create goods. This approach not only reduces their carbon footprint, but also fosters a sense of stewardship for the land. In essence, the Amish way of life serves as a powerful reminder of the benefits of simplicity, self-sufficiency, and sustainable living. By examining their practices, we can gain valuable insights into how to lead a more intentional and fulfilling life. Traditional lighting methods. Exploring the various traditional lighting methods used by the Amish. In Amish homes, traditional lighting methods play a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Among the most commonly used sources of light are oil lamps, candles, and gas lights. Each of these methods not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds a unique charm to the living spaces. Oil lamps are a staple in Amish households, providing a reliable and adjustable source of light. Typically fueled by kerosene or lamp oil, these lamps can be easily filled and maintained, making them a practical choice for everyday use. The soft glow emitted by oil lamps creates a cozy ambience, perfect for family gatherings or quiet evenings spent reading. Candles, often handmade from beeswax or tallow, are another popular lighting option. They not only illuminate the home but also infuse it with a delightful, natural fragrance. The flickering flame of a candle adds a sense of tranquility and warmth, making it a favored choice for special occasions and religious ceremonies. Gas lights, while less common, are also utilized in some Amish homes. These lights operate on propane and provide a brighter, more consistent illumination compared to oil lamps and candles. Gas lights can be found in larger Amish communities where access to propane is more feasible. Historically, these lighting techniques have significant importance in Amish culture. They reflect a commitment to simplicity and self-sufficiency, allowing families to maintain their traditional values while adapting to their needs. By relying on these time-honored methods, the Amish not only preserve their heritage, but also create a living environment that fosters connection and community. DIY lighting solutions. Creating DIY lighting solutions. Inspired by the Amish. If you're looking to bring a touch of Amish-inspired simplicity into your home, creating your own DIY lighting solutions is a fantastic way to do so. Not only are these projects cost-effective, but they also promote sustainability by utilizing natural materials. Let's dive into how you can make simple oil lamps and candle holders right at home. To create a basic oil lamp, you'll need a small glass jar, a wick, you can use cotton or linen, and some lamp oil or kerosene. Start by filling the jar about 3/4 full with the oil. Next, cut the wick to a length that allows it to extend about an inch above the jar's rim. Insert the wick into the jar, ensuring it sits in the oil while the top remains exposed. Light the wick, and you'll have a charming oil lamp that provides a warm glow for your space. For a simple candle holder, gather materials like clay, wood, or even stones. If using clay, mold it into a small dish shape with a center indentation to hold a tea light or votive candle. If you prefer wood, you can drill a hole into a small log or slice to create a rustic holder. Decorate your holder with natural elements like twine or dried flowers for added charm. Encouraging experimentation with natural materials not only enhances creativity, but also aligns with the Amish values of resourcefulness. These DIY lighting solutions are not only budget-friendly, but also environmentally sustainable, allowing you to illuminate your home while minimizing your ecological footprint. So gather your materials and let your creativity shine. Benefits of non-electric lighting. Advantages of using non-electric lighting methods. In a world increasingly reliant on electricity, exploring non-electric lighting methods offers a refreshing perspective on both practicality and sustainability. One of the most significant advantages of using non-electric lighting is the cost savings associated with it. By opting for oil lamps, candles, or gas lights, households can significantly reduce their electricity bills. These traditional lighting methods require minimal investment and can often be made from readily available materials, making them an economical choice for families looking to cut costs. Beyond financial savings, non-electric lighting methods also provide substantial environmental benefits. By reducing electricity consumption, we lessen our carbon footprint and decrease the demand for fossil fuels. This shift not only contributes to a healthier planet, but also promotes a more sustainable lifestyle. The Amish community exemplifies this approach, demonstrating how simple choices can lead to a more eco-friendly existence. Moreover, non-electric lighting creates a cozy and warm atmosphere that is often missing in modern homes filled with harsh fluorescent lights. The soft glow of an oil lamp or the flickering flame of a candle brings a sense of tranquility and comfort, making spaces feel inviting and intimate. This ambiance is perfect for family gatherings, quiet evenings, or special occasions, fostering connections and creating lasting memories. In summary, embracing non-electric lighting methods offers numerous advantages, from cost savings and environmental benefits to the creation of a warm, inviting atmosphere. By incorporating these traditional techniques into our lives, we can enjoy both the practical and emotional rewards they bring, all while honoring a simpler, more sustainable way of living. Incorporating Amish practices into modern life. Suggestions for integrating Amish lighting practices into your home. Incorporating Amish lighting practices into your modern home can be a rewarding way to embrace sustainability while adding a unique charm to your living space. One of the first steps is to adopt a more sustainable lifestyle by using alternative lighting methods. Consider replacing some of your electric lights with oil lamps or candles. Not only do these options reduce your reliance on electricity, but they also create a warm and inviting atmosphere that enhances the coziness of your home. To seamlessly blend traditional lighting methods with modern decor, think about how you can showcase these elements in a stylish way. For instance, choose decorative oil lamps that complement your existing decor, or create a centerpiece with beautifully arranged candles. You can also repurpose vintage jars or containers as candle holders, adding a rustic touch that harmonizes with contemporary design. Mixing materials like wood, glass, and metal can create a visually appealing contrast that highlights the best of both worlds. Mindfulness in energy consumption is another essential aspect of incorporating Amish practices into your life. Take a moment to evaluate your current lighting habits and consider how you can reduce unnecessary energy use. Set specific times to turn off electric lights and rely on your oil lamps or candles instead. This practice not only conserves energy, but also encourages you to be more present in your surroundings. By embracing these Amish-inspired lighting practices, you can create a more sustainable, mindful, and aesthetically pleasing home that reflects your values while honoring a simpler way of living. In this video, we explored the fascinating world of Amish lighting methods and their relevance to sustainable living. We discussed how the Amish utilize unique lighting techniques such as oil lamps, candles, and gas lights, each offering practical benefits while creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. These non-electric lighting solutions not only help reduce electricity costs, but also promote a more eco-friendly lifestyle by minimizing energy consumption. By embracing these traditional practices, we can cultivate a sense of mindfulness in our daily lives and foster a deeper connection to our environment. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with our content. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty of sustainable living. Your support helps us create more valuable content that inspires others to explore alternative lifestyles. Additionally, we invite you to explore related topics on our channel or website. From DIY projects to tips on sustainable living, there's a wealth of information waiting for you. Whether you're interested in learning more about Amish culture, discovering new ways to reduce your carbon footprint, or finding creative lighting solutions for your home, we have something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of non-electric lighting. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate these practices into your own life and contribute to a more sustainable future. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.